Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the ENACFIRE E60 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, so today what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to try the earbuds on, and I'm going to let y'all see how they look in my ears. So if your head and your ear structure is similar to mine, this should give you an overall idea of how they may potentially look in your ears. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to run through two audio tests. One test we're going to check for leakage, and then the other test I'm going to attempt to give y'all a nice audio sample. Now for reference, I am using my lapel clip-on microphone here today. So this mic right here that y'all can see in the secondary camera right there. Okay, and it's about, what's that, less than a foot away from my mouth, and this is where I will be holding up the earbuds when I give y'all the sound sample. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. So okay, now starting off, as you can see, let me swipe down my notification shade here. I have already paired the earbuds to my Pixel 2 XL, as you can see right here. And just for reference, so you can see, I did already max out the volume, as you can see right there. Alright, so now before we get into the fitting demonstration, I just want to attempt to give you a nice close-up of the earbuds. Now one thing that I like about these earbuds is the labeling. So you can see right here, it's nicely labeled on the outside. So right, this is the right. And then it's nicely labeled on the inside. So again, you can see this is the right, and then you can see the contact pins right there. And I do apologize because black does not show up well on camera, but I really do like the labeling of these. So let me drop this in. So, and again, you do want to take note of the ear tip that you have on here. Now I left the stock tips on because that turned out to be the perfect fit for my ears. I believe that was a medium. Okay, so you do want to make sure you get the right fit. So you put it in and then you twist it so it's in line, and then there you go. So this is the right. Let me show you this. Bam, right there. Okay, and I got to tell y'all, this fit is extremely comfortable here, and it's not falling out. So it's extremely comfortable. I get really good sound isolation, really good stuff. Now let me show y'all the same thing on the left. So once again, here's the left earbud, and you can see really nicely labeled on the outside and really nicely labeled on the inside as well. As y'all can see the struggles. So you can see it right there, it's labeled, it says L. Right there, that's really hard to see. Right there. Okay, but that is labeled on the inside right there. It's really hard to see that. And I think I need to clean it off a little bit. Alright. But yeah, it's labeled on the outside again, right there. And it's labeled on the inside right there. Okay. Let's drop this in. Again, you do the same thing. You line it up. You drop it in and you twist. Making sure that it locks into place. So you can see, here's the left. Okay, and then here's the right. Okay, a really good fit. Now, in terms of the isolation, I can barely hear myself talk right now, but I can hear myself talk a little bit. But once I play the music, I'm not going to be able to hear anything but what I'm listening to, and the fit is pretty much perfect in my opinion. Again, you can see shaking my head, it's not falling out. So really good stuff there. And now let's go ahead and get into the two sound tests. So the first test is testing for leakage. Let's go ahead and push play. One tap on either earbud for play and pause. Okay, here we go. Let me know if y'all hear anything. Okay. Real quick leakage test. I gotta tell y'all, the bass on these earbuds it's amazing. It's some really good bass on these. It's top-notch bass on these, man. I think we found it. These right here, these are it. I think we found it. They have really good sound quality with really good instrument separation and really nice deep bass, and you can really feel the punch. When I got these and I put them on and I was playing my usual testing playlist and that bass hit, I felt like that scene from The Breakfast Club where you just was like, yes. When that bass hit, I was just like, yes. The bass on these it's amazing. I love these right here. But real quick leakage test. My bad, y'all. Sorry if I'm getting a little carried away. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to restart the track. And I'm going to attempt to hold it up to the mic here and give y'all a nice audio sample. Alright, so let's go ahead and push play once again. And it's playing. Let me go ahead and take it out and hold it up to the mic. And I think I'm holding it in the correct position. And we'll do this for 30 seconds to a minute. Starting now. Okay, we'll do another 15 seconds. Alright, let's pause this. Alright, and that pretty much does it for this video, guys and gals. I hope y'all enjoyed this real quick fit and sound demo test of the ENACFIRE E60 Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy the video, y'all know what to do. I hope everyone is being safe out there. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. And as always, any and everything that y'all are interested in will be linked up down below in the video description. So the copyright-free music and the link to my testing playlist, which is what I use to test all my Bluetooth products. So check out the video description if you would like to know more. Alright, have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.